And we brought our babies in last night because it was cold. Today we have a lot of changes that we're going to make. For one, it'll be the first time these babies have a bottle before we take them outside to their own little pen. And we are going to do what my husband calls the big shake-up. So we're going to change some pins around, get some different mama goats into the breeding stall. Our does that already had their babies are going to go into the milking stall. And the babies are going to get their own kid pin and start getting bottle fed. He got it, he latched on. It's nice when it happens that way. And they all will, you just have to be patient with it. They just have to start suckling before they realize what it is. And then they're all for it. We are a little bit late getting out to feed this morning, so you guys want to see this. Let's go. And they see us, they're gonna freak. So these are the mamas. This girl's still pregnant. And Merle is gonna lose his ladies today. He won't be very happy about it. You guys have an old bell that works really well for bucks. So in this pen back here, we're actually gonna move Anna and Elsa. Anna's gonna go in the doe pen. We just bred her, and Elsa is actually gonna kid here sometime soon. So we're gonna put her in the breeding pen. We did keep them together just because they know each other. This is a new place and I didn't want to stress them out too much. So we're gonna move them back. Now we are gonna separate them to different pens.
So everybody's out of there for now, right?
Yep. We got our does in milk in this pen. We're gonna clean this pen up. So I'm going to start mixing my milk stand snack mix. Just gets them happy and puts them on the stand, eager and willing to let me milk them. I do have a handy dandy barrel here with a lid that I love. All I use is 2/3 pellets, and it's 16% protein, and they're just itty bitty pellets. And then I add a little scratch in there. So it's not a science, I'm just going to eyeball it. Mix it up real good, make sure it has about the mixture I'm looking for. Alright guys, so while my husband's getting the other birthing pen together, I got my crates here for my stuff that I hold while I milk. That way they're on the outside of the fence so the goats can't get to it. I got my barrel of scratch there. Alright, and then I just have some clips there to clip the girls I'm not milking. Let's see. May will be first. And she's fighting with these two girls. Another little trick I have for the unruly goats. I just have some rope here, and on each end of it are some slip knots. So if they want to be kicking around and acting a fool, I'm just going to put their feet in it so that I can milk them without them kicking the milk over. This is our first milking of the year, guys. So I just have some old washcloths. I clean them, bleach them, and they work really well to clean them up. I will eventually get them all cleaned up and shave the hair so that at least when they do bleed it doesn't make too big of a mess, but I just haven't gotten around to it just yet. And having them shaved also helps a lot with the hair that falls into the bucket. Alright, so I'm going to squirt out the first couple of squirts to make sure there's no dirt. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please make sure you're subscribed and give this video a thumbs up. And I'd also like to thank everybody who has donated to the PayPal link and using the affiliate links also. So greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot.